Food is our fuel. It's what keeps us going every single day. It gives us energy to play, work, and learn. Without the right nutrients, our bodies can't perform at their best. When we eat healthy foods, we feel our best. We have more energy. We can focus better. Healthy eating can improve our mood and overall well-being. Eating healthy also helps our bodies stay strong. It supports our muscles, bones, and even our mental health. It protects us from getting sick. A balanced diet boosts our immune system and helps us fight off illnesses. Think of your body like a car. Just like a car needs the right fuel to run smoothly, our bodies need the right foods. You need the right fuel to make it go. Without it, we can feel sluggish and tired. Eating healthy doesn't mean you can't enjoy your food. There are countless delicious and nutritious options out there. You can still have your favorite treats. The key is to enjoy them in moderation. The key is to eat them in moderation. Balance is important. A well-balanced diet includes a variety of foods in the right proportions. Let's learn how to make healthy eating a part of our lives. By making small changes and choosing healthier options, we can improve our health and happiness. Healthy eating is about finding a good balance. Our bodies need different types of food to stay healthy. Think about building a colorful plate. Fruits and vegetables should be a big part of your plate. They give us vitamins and minerals. These are like superpowers for our bodies. We also need protein. You can find protein in foods like chicken, fish, beans, and nuts. Protein helps our bodies grow strong and repair themselves. Carbohydrates give us energy. Choose whole grains like brown rice and quinoa. These are better choices than white bread or pasta. Whole foods are foods that are as close to their natural state as possible. They are minimally processed and free from artificial additives, making them a healthier choice for our bodies. Think fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean meats. These foods provide essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber that our bodies need to function optimally. These foods are packed with nutrients. They help boost our immune system, improve digestion, and provide sustained energy throughout the day. Processed foods, on the other hand, are often filled with added sugars, unhealthy fats, and salt. These ingredients can lead to health issues like obesity, heart disease, and diabetes. These ingredients can be harmful to our health. It's important to read labels and be aware of what we're consuming. Choosing whole foods over processed foods is a simple way to improve your diet. Whole foods are more filling and satisfying, helping you maintain a healthy weight. Cook at home more often so you can control what goes into your food. Experiment with new recipes and involve your family in meal preparation. Remember, eating healthy doesn't have to be boring. There are countless ways to make whole foods delicious and exciting. There are so many delicious and nutritious whole foods to explore. From fresh produce to whole grains, the options are endless. Start incorporating more whole foods into your diet today and feel the difference. Section 4. The good fats. Not all fats are bad for you. In fact, some fats are very important for our health. These are called healthy fats. Healthy fats help our brains function properly. They also help our bodies absorb certain vitamins. You can find healthy fats in foods like avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil. Try adding a handful of nuts to your yogurt or drizzling olive oil on your salad. Avoid unhealthy fats like trans fats and saturated fats. These fats are often found in processed foods and fried foods. Section 5. Water is life. Water is essential for our bodies to function. It helps regulate our body temperature, carries nutrients to our cells, and flushes out waste products. When we don't drink enough water, we can become dehydrated. Dehydration can lead to fatigue, headaches, and other health problems. Make sure to drink plenty of water throughout the day. A good rule of thumb is to drink 8 glasses of water per day. You can also get fluids from other sources like fruits and vegetables, but water is the best choice. Section 6. Listen to your body. One of the most important aspects of healthy eating is learning to listen to your body. This means being in tune with what your body needs and wants. Pay attention to your hunger and fullness cues. These signals are your body's way of telling you when to eat and when to stop. Eat when you are truly hungry and stop when you are satisfied. This helps prevent overeating and ensures you are eating for the right reasons. Avoid eating out of boredom, stress, or emotions. Instead, find other ways to cope with these feelings, such as going for a walk or talking to a friend. When you eat, take your time and savor each bite. This not only enhances your eating experience, but also helps with digestion. Eating slowly allows your body time to register feelings of fullness. This can prevent overeating and help you enjoy your food more. Remember, healthy eating is a journey, not a destination. It's about making better choices over time and finding what works best for you. There's no need to be perfect. It's okay to have treats and enjoy your favorite foods in moderation. Just focus on making small, sustainable changes over time. These small steps can lead to big improvements in your overall health and well-being.